Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of new arrivals for the month of May and June. I spotted many amazing products that I know you're going to love, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Check out this new arrival I just found in the kitchenware section. It's by Tupperware. I honestly never thought we'd find another item by them, but it seems like this is their 1 gallon pitcher, and then it also comes with 4 tumblers. The lids are leak proof too, by the way, and the pitcher itself is of 3.9 quarts. So it's pretty good size. I think it's so good for whenever you want to make like lemonade, especially for summertime. At least in my house, we always crave like some type of agua fresca, whether it's a cucumber with mint and lemon or some kind of mix like that. But I love the 2 color options. They have it in pink and also in a very pretty shade of green. I also came across this beautiful reversible king quilt set. This one right here comes with a total of 3 pieces. You have 1 quilt and 2 shams included in this set, and I found it going for $50 at Costco. It is reversible, by the way. Now keep in mind the front, it's 100% cotton, and the fill, it's 100% polyester. Here are the measurements for each of the items. But I love the different little patterns they came out with, and also the colors that are so perfect for spring, of course summer as well. So they have this option. They also have it in green, and I'm loving the one in blue. I think we've seen these before at Costco, but I don't remember if the previous model was collapsible. So that's so convenient, especially when you're no longer using these. You can definitely store these away. They come as a 2 pack and they're going for $35 at the moment. Let me know if anyone's purchased them before, but I do like that they're clear so that way you can always see what's inside. And it seems like they're pretty easy to set up. They have a large capacity of up to 50 liters. And in case you missed it in my video from last week, I did come across these beautiful Disney Pyrex glass sets. It's a decorated glass food storage set, by the way, that comes with a total of 8 pieces. And so pretty much you have 4 vessels and 4 lids. These I found them going for $18. And the one they had on display here happened to be the Stitch theme one. It's so cute. I love how all the lids are of different colors. And then they also have Hello Kitty down here. For anyone who's a Hello Kitty fan, you guys might really like these Pyrex decorated glass food storage sets. Both of them are really nice. And look at what's back at Costco. This is a beautiful frame set of 7 pieces. You have 2 options to choose from. They have it in black or also walnut color. This one I found it going for $31.49. You have a total of 7 frames, and then they have removable mat boards, and you can actually set these up in different layouts. Here are the measurements for the frames. You have 3 different sizes, and here it also gives you some options as to how you may want to set these up. This is a beautiful 6-piece organizer set. I love how these are clear so you can always see what's inside. They're also BPA free, and you have 2 different sizes when it comes to this organizer set. It has reinforced edges. It is stackable, and I found it going at Costco for $16.99. Perfect for large or small items, considering you have narrow extra large organizers, 4 of those included in the set, and 2 wide extra large organizers. Great for any part of the home, whether it's the office, the pantry, the cabinet, or even the bathroom. This is a slow cooker set I also found at Costco last week. It's by Bella, and I love that you have 2 of the slow cookers included, both of different sizes. One of them, it's a 6-quart slow cooker, and the other one's of 2 quarts, so perfect for like dips. I'm thinking nacho cheese. This one's going for $40, by the way. It comes with custom cooking settings. You have low, high, and warm on both slow cookers, and it also comes with dishwasher safe parts. Check out this unisex crossbody bag that I also came across here at Costco. This one's by 32 Degrees Cool. It's made out of water-resistant fabric, and I found it going for $12.99. I know these crossbody bags eventually go on sale, so I would probably recommend waiting just a little bit, but it is exciting to find a new crossbody bag. Has a 2.8-liter capacity, comes with zipper pockets, both inside, actually 2 exterior pockets as well, and it comes with the adjustable shoulder strap. Now, in case anyone's thinking of going to Disneyland, I thought I might show you this sweet deal that's at Costco. It's for Disneyland park, but it's a park hopper ticket. It's a 3-day one, and it comes with the Lightning Lane multi-pass, and it also comes with the $30 Disney dining card. This one I found it going for $450. Seems like it's a pretty sweet deal. Now, keep in mind the card itself does not count as a ticket. You do have to go through like the whole process. You have to make your park reservations, things like that. But let me know if anyone's interested in going to Disneyland. I went last year, but we always usually just do like the regular admission. I'm thinking that this is probably worth it for someone that really wants to enjoy Disneyland or is a huge fan and wants to go the full 3 days. I also came across these delicious Muddy Bites. These are the peanut butter chocolate flavor. They're waffle cone snacks. They're tiny. They're so cute. I tried to look for the price tag here, but I ended up going to another Costco location, and that's where exactly I was able to find the price. But 6 cones of this product's around 130 calories, 11 grams of sugar. Guys, these cones are so good. I tried the milk chocolate version, and I really like them. I opened up the bag and I was more than halfway done before I even made it home. So these are addicting. I cannot wait to try the peanut butter next. Here we have the mini double caramel ice cream bars by Magnum. I love the fact that they brought out the mini version and it's around 160 calories per bar. These are going for $14 at the moment. I honestly don't think I've seen these on sale. Not that I remember. Let me know if you've seen them on sale in your area. But it says here the serving size is of 3 bars, but if you just want to have 1 bar, it's only 160 calories. 14 grams of sugar. These are definitely on the sweeter side, but they're actually pretty tasty. I found a new arrival by Johnny Pops. These are their freezer pops and they are organic. They have very simple ingredients in them and they come with 3 flavors. These I found them going for $10.59 at Costco. I'm thinking eventually they'll be on sale, but I believe this is the first time I'm seeing them in my area, so this is exciting. They come with cherry, grape, and fruit punch flavor and only 25 calories for 1 pop. Let me know if anyone's tried it, but this is the jalapeno cheddar bratwurst. It's 100% grass-fed beef. I know this brand has been here before at Costco, but I want to say this is a new arrival by them. 36 ounces going for $17.99, and I really love cheddar and I love jalapeno too. It must have a nice little kick to it. It says 1 link's around 220 calories, 12 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat, 1 gram of carb, and in terms of sodium, it's around 750. This brand right here called Cuisine Solutions just brought out their seared salmon with a Tuscan style sauce. It's cooked in tomatoes and herbs. Let me know if anyone's tried it, but I love purchasing products from them because it's already cooked for you and it's super convenient. $14.99 per pound. I did check the package, and so the package itself would be around $29, so just keep that in mind. 5 ounces, around 220 calories. Let me know if anyone recommends it too. It's recommended for you to heat it up in the conventional oven, but you can also heat it up in the microwave. Seems like there's a new variety pack for the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap. This one comes with blueberry, fresh cut grass. You have 2 other scents in here, and it's a 4-pack. So you get 4 bottles of 16 ounces. And guys, these bottles are of a great size, by the way. They'll last you quite a bit. They're going for $18 at the moment. I have seen Mrs. Meyer's hand soap on sale before. So I would probably recommend waiting until you see a discount to it. But I really like this brand. It's made with essential oils. It's made with olive oil, aloe vera extract, and glycerin. And check out this new body wash I also came across at Costco. You have 2 bottles in here, and the scents are Island Mist and Simply Nourish. This one right here is by the brand called Method, and it's going for $17.99 at the moment. I do expect this item to eventually be on sale, but I do like the scents. They're pretty good. It's also cruelty-free, and it's a biodegradable formula. The Korean overnight hydrogel mask is also back at Costco. Guys, I've seen this little mask right here. It's kind of pricey. And I'm assuming Costco, of course, has a sweet deal on it. You have 24 of the masks. going for $70. Let me know if anyone's tried this product before. But it's, pretty much like a Korean beauty product, and it's supposed to give you like glass skin or the glass skin effect. It says here it's infused with collagen, infused with ultra low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and it turns transparent as it is absorbed by the skin. Pretty cool product. I found these tanks also by 32 Degrees Cool. They have a comfort mesh to them. I did spot them in both white and black. And these come as a 3-pack, by the way, and I found them going for $13. They have a quick drying material. It's soft, anti-odor, breathable, and nylon mesh. They also have the sizing recommendation there on the bottom, so make sure you follow that. But currently, they do have them in both colors, white and black, and they carry size small up to extra large.
And that is all that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.